What's up, YouTube? I made a video siphoning water off my pool cover over a year ago. I updated a couple things that I ended up doing to make it easier. So now I just use the pole with my vacuum head and the hose on it to stay down. Use a rock to hold the hose. It's because the weight of the water will sometimes pull it right out of the pool. And I'm still using a shop vac to prime the siphon, suck all the air out. Just have it draining out here. Just to show you, you get a lot of flow with just a little bit of effort. The shop vac really helps you get the siphon going perfect. It's a good little hack. I've always struggled for years trying to get siphoning to work with priming it with buckets of water and everything else like that. This just works best. So turn on your shop vac, let it prime until you don't really hear a lot of air. Just check the flow. If it's weak, just give it a little bit longer with the shop vac and you're good to go. You have your water drained off in no time. And this, you don't need any other pumps or anything. You just use basic stuff you already have. The only extra thing that you'd need in order to get this to work easily would be a shop vac. So, and don't forget, take the filter out of your shop vac. If you suck up water with that, it'll obviously destroy it. So, hope this works as good for you as it works for me. Like and subscribe for more updates or random other hacks or things for around the house. Have a good one.